Which online certifications are best for data science? If you are a teenager curious about a career in data science, you might be wondering which online certifications can help you get started. Data science is all about analyzing large sets of data to find patterns and make informed decisions. Key skills in this field include programming, statistics, data visualization, and machine learning. Let's break down some of the best online certifications that can set you on the right path. First up is the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This program is beginner-friendly and covers essential topics like Python programming, data analysis, and visualization. It includes hands-on projects that help you build real skills. Plus, the certificate is recognized by many employers, making it a great choice for teens. Next, consider the HarvardX Data Science Professional Certificate, available on the edX platform. This program is a bit more academically rigorous and focuses on statistics and data analysis using the R programming language. It teaches not just how to perform tasks, but also the reasoning behind them, which is essential for a solid foundation in data science. Another excellent option is the Springboard Data Science career track. This program lasts about 6 months and includes mentorship, real-world projects, and career support like resume help and interview practice. It focuses on Python and machine learning and even offers a job guarantee, making it perfect for teens serious about launching a career quickly. If you want to dive into cloud computing, the Google Professional Data Engineer certification is a good choice. This certification is more advanced and teaches you how to use Google Cloud tools to manage and analyze data. For those interested in machine learning, the Amazon Web Services Certified Machine Learning Specialty is a great fit. This certification focuses on building machine learning models using Amazon Web Services. It is more technical and suited for those wanting to specialize in this area. Lastly, the Applied Data Science with Python specialization on Coursera teaches Python programming with a focus on data science tasks like data wrangling, visualization, and machine learning. This course series is practical and widely respected in the industry. For teenagers, starting with beginner-friendly programs like the IBM or HarvardX certificates is recommended to build foundational skills. These programs often include video lessons, quizzes, and projects that make learning interactive and engaging. As you gain confidence, you can move on to more specialized or advanced certifications. Here are some practical tips for teens pursuing data science certifications. Focus on programs that include real projects or capstone assignments. These help you build a portfolio to show future employers or college admissions. Choose certifications that teach Python or R, as these are the most common programming languages in data science. Look for courses offering career support, like mentoring or job placement help, especially if you want to turn your learning into a first job. Lastly, balance your learning with school and other activities. Many programs allow flexible pacing. By earning one or more of these certifications, you can demonstrate commitment, gain skills, and improve your chances of getting internships or entry-level jobs in data science, setting a strong foundation for future career growth.